So after we have the door in position, set the jamb in, slide it into position, and down against the jamb stop. Bring the router down, set it on top of the door. The 350H does not have a lower door clamp, so every time you bring the router down, you need to make sure that the door is against its stop when you clamp the door. And that's what will hold the door in place. Now I can raise the jamb up until it contacts the bottom of the router so that it's at the same height as the door. When doing the hinges on a 350H, it's best to start at the bottom hinge, and that's because there is no door clamp for the lower side of the door. So if we start at this end, we can push the door up against the door stop, mortise here. When we move to the next one, we're moving in the direction that we're pushing the door. So again, it's easier to keep the door up against the door stop at that end as we progress down the door. If we had the other hand door, then we would start at the right hand end and move back toward the head of the door again. So obviously the 350H will do a door and a jamb simultaneously. We can remove the jamb and machine the door only if that's desired. If you're doing jamb onlys, it is necessary to have a door in the machine. The door can be just a cull door. The door is there so that you have something to set the router on so you can adjust the jamb height, and something to clamp the door to keep it solid and stationary, to keep it from moving around, so that the hinge locations end up square with the jamb and flush with the surface of the jamb. So if I'm doing jamb onlys, I can machine the jamb, raise the router up, take that jamb out, put another jamb in, leave the same door in, and go back to mortising jamb only.